Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning about parallax. Parallax is nothing but an error when we are observing things from a far distance. So what is parallax? Parallax or a parallactic error, how will you define that as now? An apparent shift in the position of an object when observed from two different points. Which means when you're observing something from two different points, it appears to be moving with respect to the observer who is observing the thing. Let's take here, I'm having a tree which is at a far distance. So here just for example I have drawn it much closer, but think of this entire scenario as where this apple has been observed by these two people from a much larger distance. Now when you are observing for A, the tree appears to be somewhere to his right as this, whereas for B, it appears to be somewhere over here, which means when two persons A and B are observing this tree from a much farther distance, it appears to be having shifted to this distance from A with its actual distance, whereas let's take this middle point so that it will be easy to observe. Now when you are taking with respect to B, it has moved over here. So here with respect to A, I am naming this as small a. This is the apparent shift when observing the tree with respect to A. Now with respect to B, this shift from the original distance or original position of this tree with what we have observed from the point B, let's take this as distance B, and this B is nothing but the apparent shift or the parallactic error that's been observed in the measurement when you are observing a tree from the point B. So nothing but parallax error na? When I'm observing from two different points, it has to be moving with a little shift. So now when I'm observing this entire thing, observing this tree from a center point as C, it appears not moving. So which means from C, this will be my correct reading. With respect to C and A, there will be a shift. And this shift is called apparent shift A. With respect to the point C and B, there will be a shift, and that is nothing but your B. Here A and B are the parallactic errors when the tree is observed by the two persons A and B. Now what are the applications of this now? Applications. So there might be a question that how will you take an error in order to do something, in order to take it as an application now? See, in science, each and every error, not each and every error, most of the things that will be used in order to measure something or in order to give you some phenomenon. Okay, so here there are applications of parallax error or parallactic error. The first application is used to measure larger distances. Larger distances as in between planets. So this is first application of parallactic error, whereas the second application is used to measure the diameter of a planet. Diameter of a planet. In the next video, we'll be seeing how we will be using the concept of parallax in order to take these two applications. One is to measure the larger distances between planets, or used to measure the diameter of a planet. So this is the concept of parallax error when there will be a shift that's been observed when you're observing from two different points. That is your parallactic error. Thank you so much.